So you've got yourself the new DJI Osmo Action 6 and you want to get it set up. Today we're going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's go ahead, dive right into it. So first things first, we need to install the battery, which goes in on the side here. And I haven't taken off the sticker yet. It shows me that I need to push the switch over and then I can slide the door up. So we'll pull the switch over like that, and then we can slide the door up like that, and then the door flips open in that direction. And then we can go ahead and grab our battery, and the battery has a little kind of knob that sticks out or pop out there at the bottom. That goes towards the bottom of the camera like that. So you can just go ahead and slide it in. And then we'll go ahead and close the door. So the door goes over. Again, you slide it down and it should pop into place. You don't want to see any red because this is a watertight door. So you should hear it click. Now let's go ahead and turn on the camera. So on the other side, you'll see the power button here. You can go ahead and push that down and it should turn on. There we go. And it's going to ask what language we would like to set it up in. So I'm going to just go ahead and tap on English here. You can select whatever language you like. So now it wants us to download the app so we can connect our device for activation. So it's giving us a QR code there. So you can grab your phone and open up the camera and scan the QR code here. And that'll take you to the DJI website where you can download the app. Otherwise, you can open up your app store and search for DJI Mimo and install it from there as well. So I'm going to do that. And this process will be slightly different whether you're using an Android or an Apple device. I'm using an Android. It's a decently large app, 809 megabytes. So I've got that installed here. Let's go ahead and open up the app. And you can read through the terms there. And once you've done that, go ahead and agree. And you can join the project here. It's going to load the resource files. Go ahead and tap through all the information here that shows you how to use the app. All right, so once you've got the app installed, go ahead and hit the camera button here at the bottom. And it's going to start searching for your device. And I've actually got a DJI Osmo Nano as well, but I want to connect the Osmo Action 6. So we'll go ahead and hit connect. And then it's going to give us a verification code. So we need to go ahead and accept that on our camera here. And it's going to give us the DJI product terms of use. You can scroll through that. And then at the bottom here, it says agree. Activate Osmo Action 6. So we need to allow access. And then hit next. Activate after login. So if you don't have an account, you can create one. I'm going to go ahead and log in here. Agree and log in. All right, so I logged in and it's activating. And then over on here, it says quick start guide and we'll hit start. And here in the app, if we don't want to buy the extended warranty, we can go ahead and hit skip here in the top right-hand corner. Asks us if we want to do a questionnaire. I'll skip that. Are you sure you want to exit? Okay. Activation successful. Congratulations, device activated. You can now enjoy the full service and support. We'll hit get started. You can scroll through all the information here and then update firmware regularly. So we'll just go ahead and hit done and it'll start downloading the firmware update. So this is important so that your camera runs properly and as intended. Give that a minute. While it's downloading that, on the camera here, it'll just show you how to use it. So it's going through all the different options. And once it gets to 50%, it allows me to install it here. So I'll tap install at the bottom. Device not connected, so I need to reconnect it here. Osmo Action 6. So it says connect to device. DJI Mimo App wants to use a temporary Wi-Fi network to connect to your camera. So we'll go ahead and hit connect. Connection successful. And now we can go ahead and install that. So it says update in progress. Wait 2 minutes here on the camera. All right, update successful. We can go ahead and hit done here on our phone. And it says updated on the camera. We can go ahead and connect it again. On our camera here, we can go ahead and tap through all the prompts. And there we go. Our DJI Osmo Action 6 is all set up. The firmware is updated, it's activated and ready to go. You can adjust your settings however you like, and you can start recording right away. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.